MW here, and I'm so glad to see you in part 2 of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be using Pepakura to unfold the .stl model we created in part 1. As mentioned, Pepakura is a Windows-only software. Let's first start by downloading the software. Once you're done with installation, you'll be able to launch the program and find a workspace very similar to the one on screen. Of course, the unfolded cutout for the 3D model here is just a sneak peek for what we're about to see. One cool feature in Pepakura is that we're also able to view a 3D animation of the folding and unfolding of the 3D model cutout. Now, let's drag the model we created to our workspace. You'll be prompted to select some options for setting coordinates and flipping faces, so you may go ahead with the default setting. You'll also find a window for dimensional scaling. This is very important to change to make sure Pepakura reads your model dimensions correctly. Pepakura defaultly works with inches. If your model was created in dimensions other than inches, set the one original unit equal to the conversion between your units and inches. If you worked in inches, set it to 1. Next, we'll set our paper workspace to be equal to our printer paper size. This can be letter or A4 according to the printer you're using. Let's now unfold our model. Make sure you select Manual and set values as default, if you don't want Pepakura to rescale your model and fit it into one page. Notice how when we did that, one flap is placed in a page on its own. Drag it to the first page and rotate it so it fits in snugly. The dotted lines that appear are the folding lines, the lines that you need to fold the model according to. The solid lines are the cutout lines, the lines you'll need to cut along. To view the folding animation, go to 3D menu, Folding, Unfolding Animation. Finally, we'll export our paper cutout to PDF format for printing. Go to File, Print to PDF, and save. Happy cutting and happy 2021!